Welcome to this tutorial. What we're going to look at is how to structure a face. I'm going to use this program to show you, but you can use tracing paper over a picture. So basically what I'm doing is I'm getting a face and I'm going to plot out the basic area. So your first area is going to be there, where it ends. And with this particular painting, the lady has two parts where it ends like that. But you have to figure that out on your own picture that you're doing. So you've got that area and where the chin is there. So that's the face area. That's the area that we're working with him. One of the main things to start working on is your eyes. So we'll put a line there and we'll put a line there and then a line there and a line there, and from about there to there you can actually make like a link line, and from there to there it's similar again. That is roughly the area that you're working at for the eye. And it's about creating basic building blocks for your face. I'm going to put a center line there and a line that comes out there and a line that goes there. On this eye it's all at that side, to the right hand side the eye, so it's not centered, but we will put a center line there. Just while we're around that area, can always bring a line down like that, and I believe that one will in a similar way go down like that. The thickness of the brow. Your next most important line is the bottom of the nose, and then how far it juts out at this side. The face itself is more showing on our right hand side, left, so you get more of this side than you do of that, so be aware of that kind of thing, and that gives you the bottom of the nose. So we can bring a line down there and a line that curves like that, and then that line goes as far as it needs to go, but obviously you don't bring it any farther than that. We'll go like that. Your next line is where that is there, and you get the point. You're just creating parameters for yourself. Now all we need to do is look at key points on the side of the face, which I'm putting in now. And once you get used to doing this, you can actually produce fairly accurate drawings. So I'll link that bit up there, link that up there, come down there, and then you don't really often see this side of the chin because it's in darkness normally. And another important line there is the neck. Her hair goes round there onto her shoulder. That comes out like that, and then she's got strands of hair, which I'm not going to draw loads in. And the hair comes like that. You may want to do that maybe, and that. Let's take away the photo. And you've got a basis there now for your next step where you start putting the detail into the face, the eyes, and the things that make the person look who they are. But if you go through that process with a pencil on a photo with tracing paper over it and work out where the structure lines are, you'll find you'll get a really good image. So this is the first part of this particular tutorial. We'll go on to look at the more detailed parts of the drawing and start creating a proper piece of artwork. So thank you for coming in and having a brief time with me and looking at this particular subject, and we'll be back with you soon. Bye.